Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? B plus herd, bird. D plus hog, dog. Bird dog. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Art. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again to our program. We have had a terrific week with our contestants, sending away players with big bucks, brand new cars, and it could happen to one of these two players. The lady on my right joined us yesterday. She won $800 in cash. She had one go in the winner's circle, and she'd like to get back there today. You're looking at Eunice Dorman. Welcome back, Eunice.
Thank you, Alex.
Mother of four, grandmother of?
8.
Of 8. All of them here in Southern California?
No, 2 are in Alabama.
Alabama. Is that home for you?
No, it's a military base where my daughter and her husband are stationed.
I see. All right. Good luck to you today against this newcomer. We're delighted to welcome David Beathard.
Nice to meet you, Alex.
Hiya, David.
Good.
Where are you from?
Well, I'm originally from here in L.A., but I just moved. My girlfriend and I, we moved up to the Bay Area, to Petaluma, just north of San Francisco.
Did work take you up there?
Well, that's where we want to live. I'm still a student. I'm studying administration of justice, want to be a police officer, and so that's where I intend to do it.
Okay. Good luck to you today.
Thank you.
Take a look over here. This looks like an exciting prize.
Wish upon a star as you and a guest enjoy a moonlight stroll along the deck of your Bahamas Disney luxury liner. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Orlando. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll enjoy Premier's Cruise and Disney Week, a 4-night Bahamas cruise plus a 3-night Walt Disney World vacation, including hotel, rental car, and admissions, furnished by Premier Cruise Lines. Alex.
Thank you, Art. Well, as I said, it is a terrific vacation. We'll show Eunice and David where they can find it. It is at number 3. And David, you select first.
Okay, I've got to find that vacation. Let's see what's behind number 17.
Coffee maker.
Well, let's look above at number 5.
Dishwasher. No match. Eunice.
My mom says I gotta win a trip for her, so let's try under number 13.
Ceiling fan.
How about a match under number 25?
Red tape. David, you mentioned a moment ago that you're looking forward to becoming a police officer.
That's right.
You know that earlier this week, Jeff Walker walked out of here with $29,000.
Yes, I do.
He's a police officer. So maybe some of his luck will rub off on you. Maybe
I hope so. Well, let's look below at 21.
Diamond and pearl necklace.
My girlfriend would sure like that. Let's see, number 6.
Mountain bikes for 2. No match. Eunice.
Okay, I'm still looking for that trip under number 11.
Dishwasher.
Was the match that under number 5?
You are right. That is the match. Let's open it up right now for Eunice.
Too early.
Pick again.
I'll take a look at under number 16.
Green
Green
tape.
take. How about a match under number 14?
Limited edition artwork. No match there, so we go back to David.
Well, there's got to be some wild cards up there. Let me see number 9.
Coffee maker.
Coffee maker. Did we see that at 17?
I think we did. And it was good for you that you remembered. Coffee maker in his column. Down here, 2 panels swinging open. Go again.
Okay, let's start at number 1.
Limited edition artwork.
Wasn't that 14?
Wasn't it? Yes, it was.
All right.
David's right again. He's on a roll. Open it up quickly. Pick again.
Well, I really need to see what's behind number 16.
Green
Green
tape.
take. I think we saw that. How about number 20?
Deluxe carpet cleaner. No match. Eunice.
Still looking for that trip under number 6.
Mountain bikes for 2.
Oh, we saw that already. How about a match under number 15?
Ceiling fan. No match. David.
There's a couple matches up there if I can remember where they are. How about number 13? Ceiling fan. And was that, oh no, number 15?
Yep. When you're trying to remember more than one prize,
Exactly.
That's tough.
Yeah.
2 doors opening for you, David. Now, can you make the next match?
I don't think so. I can't remember it. Let's look below at number 19.
Diamond
Pearl necklace. Was that at number 7?
No, that's the Disney Bahamas cruise. Eunice?
Number 3 and number 7.
That's the holiday.
Let me get that.
It's going to be you and your mom if you win this?
Yeah, I'm sure she loves to travel.
All right, take a look. Pick again.
Number 21
Diamond and pearl necklace.
and number, oh, I forgot, number 18.
Oh, no. No. David?
Let's see if I can remember this right. Is it number 20?
No,
Deluxe
that's-
carpet cleaner. Well, let's see if that's behind number 22.
No, but a wild card.
All right, that'll do it.
Alive. Until your mind clears and you
That's
can remember
right.
the other match. We'll show you the other deluxe carpet cleaner right next to the wild one. And 3 doors in the lower part of the puzzle opening. Go again, David.
How about number 10?
Wild
Wow.
card again.
Well, I really need to see what's behind 16, so I'm going to go with that.
All right, and it's a green
Green
tape.
tape.
That should make you feel pretty good.
Yes.
The other green tape at number 8. Do you want to use this now?
I'm going to save it for insurance.
All right. Don't want to save it too long.
That's right.
Could be wasted. 3 doors are opening for David. Pick again.
Number 19? There it is. And isn't that 21?
Yes. Now, there are just 3 other matches left up there. There's a wild card also, and you've got a green tape.
Give me that vacation.
All right. Give them the Disney Bahamas cruise and open these 2 doors for David. Go again.
Well, let me see what's behind number 4.
Stereo.
What's that, 18?
Stereo is right. 2 more doors opening for David. Pick again.
Number 24, please.
Mountain
Mountain
bikes,
bikes
for 2.
I believe that's number 6.
I believe you are correct, and that means you are going to clear the entire puzzle. We'll open those 2 panels. We'll show you 2, 12, and 25. Wild card and the red take. What do you want to grab this time, David? Dishwasher?
Dishwasher will
Why
be just
not?
fine.
And so every prize in this game rides on your being able to solve this puzzle. If you don't, Eunice will steal the game, I'm sure. Take a look.
Floppy hand center.
Is it floppy hand center? No. Eunice?
I have no idea.
All right, hands on your signaling buttons because I'm going to assist you. We've got F plus. All the arrows are pointing at the smallest dog in the litter. Eunice.
Front and center.
Is it front and center? It is indeed.
I know.
I can just imagine what was going through your mind as you're trying to figure out what the arrows were pointing at.
I
The
had
little
no
pup.
idea.
You know, fur
runt.
pup, what
Yeah.
is
The runt.
it? The runt, yeah, come on. Let's go to the board here, Eunice. You get to explain it. No prizes for you, but that's okay. You're going back to the winner's circle.
I couldn't figure out all these little puppies. That's F plus the runt, the baby of the bunch, the front, hand, center.
Yeah, but
Front
you
and
glossed
center.
over that with a tier. There's a tier right
Tier,
here.
yeah.
Yes, the centier. Front and centier. All right, David. No big loss, except about $8,000 in prizes. I don't want to rub it in. You've got 1 strike against you only, and you're going to come back with a vengeance in game 2, I'm sure. We'll see you then.
You got it.
All right, Eunice. We're going to the winner's circle again, and I want to see you win a brand new car. Right after this break, folks. Eunice, this is just your 2nd time in the winner's circle, but you had those bonus seconds on yesterday's program, so you're going to be working with 3/4 of a minute. You get to keep them. That's right. 15 squares and 45 seconds for you. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 3,
No.
4, 6,
No again.
7, 9,
No.
10, 12,
No.
4, 10. Oh,
No.
13, 14,
No.
12, 11,
No.
10, 8,
Yep.
7, 15,
No.
13, 6,
Mm-mm.
11, 9,
No.
14, 12,
No.
4, 5. Just panicked.
Did you? Is that what it was? Complete panic?
Complete
But that's
panic.
okay.
You know.
That's all right. You're going to play on here. You've got $800 in cash to show for it, too. We'll take a break. We'll come back. Those of you who were watching our program yesterday will recall that I promised we would have Pokey make a return appearance to Classic Concentration today. Pokey is back with us, and the reason is very obvious. Food. Take a look.
A Charm Glow Grill, 44,000 BTU, 625 square inch, rugged unibody frame, easy setup, no tools required, dual stainless steel burner, factory assembled, furnished by Charm Glow. Alex.
Pokey may be hungry, but Pokey's not too sharp. Pokey missed the burger on the ground there. Marjorie dropped a whole burger for Pokey, and Pokey didn't get onto it. Well, let's show David and Eunice. There it is. Yeah. Thank you, Pokey. Let's show our players while Pokey enjoys an early morning meal. Let's show David and Eunice where the barbecue can be found. At number 1, we've got $500 in the cash pot in this game, a holiday in Acapulco, Mexico, and 5 bonus car seconds. And David, you go first.
I am gonna get you, Eunice. I want to see what's behind number 19.
Motorcycle.
Well, let's see, behind number 5.
Acapulco, no match. Eunice.
I really got to get that trip from my mom. How about number 7?
Barbecue.
And number 1.
Yes.
Great barbecue.
We've got $500 in the cash pot in this game, a holiday in Acapulco, Mexico, and 5 bonus car seconds. And David, you go first.
I am gonna get you, Eunice. I want to see what's behind number 19.
Motorcycle.
Well, let's see, behind number 5.
Acapulco, no match. Eunice.
I really got to get that trip from my mom. How about number 7?
Barbecue.
And number 1.
Yes.
Great barbecue.
Didn't it look good? Food looked good, too. Let's take a look at the puzzle now, see if it looks good. Oh, cute.
Oh, not much there.
Select again.
Let's take a look behind number 11.
Pasta maker.
How about a match under number 20?
Camping package, no match. David.
Let's see, number 10.
Cash pot.
I could really use that. How about number 12?
Pasta maker. Eunice.
Was the match to that under number 11? And
Yes.
number 12.
11 and 12 work together. Pasta maker going up there, down here, 2 doors, swinging open.
Nothing yet. We got to see some more.
Yes, we do.
How about lucky number 17?
200 California lottery
I'm a gambler.
tickets.
I'd like that. How about a match under 25?
Green take. Let me ask you something, Eunice, because we had a young lady as a contestant on the program last week, and she had a chance to, with a take, to take any prize she wanted from her opponent, and she took the California lottery tickets. Now, if you figure that's $200 worth of tickets, would you do that also? I mean, is it the fun of picking 200 California lottery tickets that you didn't go out and buy yourself and maybe then scratching?
You know there's got to be a lucky one in there.
Yeah.
Yes, a gambler does.
Okay. Are you a gambler?
Oh, yeah, I love gambling.
Yeah. Go to Vegas a lot?
Blackjack.
Oh, you're good at it?
Well, sometimes.
Sometimes.
Up
All
and
right.
down.
Pick 2 numbers and see if you're good at making a match.
How about, let's see what's under number 18.
Diamond and amethyst earrings.
Let's see if we can find a match under 24.
Camping package. No match. David?
How about number 20?
Camping
package. Was that number 18?
Ooh-wee.
I think that was under number 24.
Eunice didn't want to waste a moment there. She says 24.
And the match under number 20.
You were worried that the same thing would happen to you that happened to him. You'd suddenly forget it.
Blank out.
Blank out. All right, let's open these 2 doors for Eunice. Pick again, Eunice.
Let's see what's under number 23.
Red take.
We saw the green one. Let's see if we can find a match under number 4.
200 California lottery tickets. David.
Number 17.
Yes.
And number 4.
You are right. As Eunice said, there would have to be a winner in there somewhere. Open the doors and show David. too much to see.
Sure
Not
is.
much of an addition to our puzzle. Select again.
How about number 3?
5 bonus seconds.
car seconds. And number 14?
Acapulco. No match. Eunice?
Was Acapulco under number 5?
Yes.
And, oh, I blanked. Number 19?
Oh, Eunice.
Number 14.
14 it was.
And number 5.
And number 5. No, she won't. You might wind up getting one of these takes in a few moments,
hope so.
Eunice, and being able to grab that holiday away from David. But now he gets a look at the puzzle. Go again,
Still need
David.
to see some more. How about number 8?
5
bonus car seconds.
Car seconds.
Is that at number 3?
Yes. David said he would sock it to Eunice in this game. So far, he's doing it.
Certainly
But remember, in game 1, he had every prize
Gotta
in his
solve the
column.
puzzle.
You've got to solve the puzzle. Take a look. Go again.
I need to see what's behind number 10.
Cash box.
Pot. How about number 16?
Gold desk clock. Eunice?
We saw that cash pot. Was that under number 6?
No, but a wild card is there.
Number 23. I want the take.
23, the red take. The other take. Number 13. Well, am I going to hold on to it for long?
I
or
think I'm going to take the trip just in
trip
case.
to Acapulco.
Acapulco. Come on, Mom.
Come on, Mom, she says. Let's see. It's come on, Eunice. Can you solve the puzzle? Pick again.
Oh, I need a match. Let's see what's under number 15.
Motorcycle.
And number 19.
Motorcycle. Right.
Oh, I look great on that.
Remember to wear your helmet.
Always.
Open up the doors, please. Select. Oh, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. Even Steven, you are now as we start revealing number 2. David.
Is it bug spray?
Is it bug spray? No, it is not. Eunice, you get a look at the entire puzzle. Eunice?
Let us pray.
Is it let us pray? Yeah. And your prayers have been answered. Your mom's prayers have been answered. And David's all for naught. Sorry about that.
Thanks, Alex.
Nice having you here, though. Come on, Eunice. Let's go to the board. We had to take a chance, and it just didn't work.
There we have the rabbit with the lettuce and the pea and the ray gun. The let us pray. Boy.
Let us pray, yeah. David took a chance there. He anticipated something that didn't come about, and that's unfortunate. 2 strikes. We have to say goodbye, David. Take care. Nice having you here, though.
Thanks, Alex.
Good luck in Northern California on the police force. Let's go to Art now and hear about the prizes that Eunice has just won.
Eunice, you have a pasta maker, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a pasta maker or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise. And a camping package, Academy Broadway, products designed for carefree outdoor fun. Includes dome tent, nylon sleeping bags, double wide air mattress, travel packs, furnished by Academy Broadway. A motorcycle. It's time to declare your independence on a Honda NS50F. A sporty motorcycle that's comfortable and easy to operate. It's got a style all its own. It's easy to park and it's a lot of fun too. And Eunice, you're going to Acapulco. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Acapulco. You'll spend 6 nights at Fiesta Americana's Condesa Acapulco. Breathtaking views of famed Acapulco Bay, delectable seafood, romantic rooftop dining, stylish boutiques and fine salons. Furnished by Fiesta Americana Condesa Acapulco. And of course, the handy barbecue, prizes totaling $4,391.
So you're over the $5,000 mark, and you're going to have a lot of time on the clock when we come back. Can she win a car? Stay with us. You'll find out. Miss promises she's going to get it right this time. So let's put the boxes up there and the clock at 50 seconds. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2,
No.
3, 4,
No.
5, 6,
No.
7, 8,
No.
9, 10,
No.
6, 10,
Right.
11, 12,
No.
4, 15,
No.
13, 8.
No.
7. 14.
No.
1. 7.
No.
11. 1.
Yep.
13. 7. I did that.
No, you did that.
4. 12.
That's all right. Hey, you got that holiday for your mom. You can't
I
expect
know.
everything to come
But
your
my-
way every time.
My husband wants the pickup truck.
Okay, we've got $5,191, and she'll play again. We'll take a break after this message.
Some of today's participants may receive Klondike frozen desserts, taste you can sink your teeth into. Creamy ice cream bars, chocolate wafer ice cream sandwiches, and calorie-conscious light bars, plus the Klondike Bear, furnished by Klondike. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Have a safe and happy weekend, folks. We'll see you all again on Monday, right here on Concentration. So long.
This is Art James speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.